Hello again guys. Did you know that you can hide likes on Instagram posts? I'm gonna show you how to do it in your new post. It's very easy. First let's quickly check if Instagram is updated to make sure that the latest features and updates are installed in your device. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and find Instagram. If there's a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds. Now head over to Instagram. Click on the plus sign up here. At the bottom choose a post. Find your image and click on it. Here you can edit your picture or add some effects. At the top right corner click on the next. Now scroll down and at the bottom find advanced settings. Click on it. Find option called hide likes and view counts on this post. Toggle this on. Note that only you will see the total number of likes and views on this post. But you can change it. I will show you later. Now go one step back and at the top right corner click on share. If you want to unhide likes on posts, at the down right corner click on profile image. Profile page will open up. Click on your post. Click on these three dots. Find option unhide like count. Now everyone can see your like count again. Enjoy! That will be it for this video. For more tutorials like this follow our channel. See you in the next video.